Hi, Namaste. My name is Dio and welcome to my channel. So today let's talk about how you can end your sorrows and your misery, your hardship. We can put an end to it, okay? And this quick story will tell you exactly how to do it. Now there is a farmer who had a donkey and a horse who were working for him. Okay, they would work on the field, they would carry heavy loads, cross the mountain, get to the farm, do their work over there, carry all the heavy load, come back, cross the mountain, come back to the stable again. The only difference was that the donkey would keep bragging about all the hard work he was doing. I'm extremely hardworking. I'm built for this and I'm meant to do all of this. Horse would just keep shut, do his work quietly, come back to the stable, be shut. Even when the farmer would ask them, how was your day? The donkey would go on bragging about how hard he worked and all, but the horse would just keep shut. Now this went on for some time. Slowly, the entire village got to know that the donkey is so hardworking, because the donkey, right from the farm to crossing the mountain to the stable, would only talk about how hardworking he is, and everyone, the entire village now knows that the donkey is hardworking and the horse would always keep shut. So the farmer wanted to do something nice for them, since the donkey and the horse were equally working so hard. So he got these two guys to give them a massage. The minute donkey saw them, donkey said, no, I don't need them. I'm strong, I'm hardworking, I don't need all of this. The horse quietly kept shut and got a massage done. Again it went on for some time, donkey kept bragging, the horse kept shut. The donkey now even started telling the horse, I'm more hardworking than you, you're not at all hardworking. Yet all the villagers would come to the stable and click a picture with the horse, not with the donkey. And the donkey started getting a little upset about it. So now the farmer said, okay, they've been really working hard and it's difficult to cross the mountain for them with the load and all. Let me do something nice for them. Let me cut a tunnel across the mountain. The horse appreciated it. He took all the load and he appreciated what the farmer did for him, and he made use of that tunnel. He went through the tunnel and the donkey said, no, you're such a sissy. Why would you take that easy way route? I'm going to take the mountain road. I'm going to take the difficult way. So he went up the hill and he bragged about how hardworking he is and how the horse is not at all hardworking. He's taking that tunnel and he went across and they finished their work. They came back. Now eventually there came a time where both the horse and the donkey had to be retired. Okay. So the horse got his retirement, the donkey didn't get his retirement. The donkey kept giving a lot of hard work to do. The horse was enjoying his free time now, walking around open fields and enjoying with the kids. The entire village was enjoying the presence of the horse, and the horse was very appreciative of what the farmer has done for them, and he's living a good life now. But the donkey is now getting really upset. But he can't say much because now he has a reputation to live up with. What is he going to tell anyone? That, okay, I'm tired, I can't do any much of hard work now, because he's announced to the whole world he's hardworking, he never gets tired. He's loving it. So he has a reputation to live up with. Now came a time where donkey just couldn't move anymore. He went up to the farmer and he said, look, I'm really old now, I can't pick up all of this. You've been really unfair with me. You've retired the horse over there and I've been working so hard and all. I just can't move. Why were you so unfair with me? The farmer said, I'm sorry, I thought you were enjoying all of this. He said, why else would you brag about it? Why else would you talk about it? Why else would you tell the entire village that you're so hardworking? Not once, but you've been singing this tune your entire life. That you're hardworking, you're hardworking, you're hardworking. So I thought, okay, you're enjoying it and let me give you some more and some more and some more. The horse did the same amount of work, but the horse was shut. So I thought, okay, the horse is done. He's not enjoying any of this. He deserves his retirement. He's worked equally hard. And the horse was freed. So the only person to be blamed here is you, Mr. Donkey. Now you use this to your day-to-day life. Okay? You want your sorrows to end, you got to stop bragging about it. You want your hardship to end, you got to stop bragging about it. Okay, stop telling people how hardworking you are and how hardworking you are and how you struggled your entire life to do this and that. The farmer sitting up there is listening to it. He thinks you're enjoying it. Why else would you be talking about it? Why else would you be sharing about it? Telling people about your sorrows is also called bragging. You think the other person doesn't have enough of his or her own sorrows? That you're the only one who has sorrows and you're talking about it? That is also called bragging. So your farmer sitting up there now says, okay, let's give them some more. This person been talking so much about their miserable relationship, let's make it worse. So that this person feels happy, otherwise why else would they talk about it? Okay, so when you're getting an easy way route, the horse took the tunnel, the donkey didn't take it. So when you're getting an easy route, now are you not taking it because you have a reputation to live up to? That, oh, I've announced it to the whole world that I'm so hardworking, now I'm getting an easy route to get out of this, but no, you're still stuck on it because now you're protecting your reputation. You know, you got an easy way out of your relationship, but now no, you want to stick on to it. You're enjoying talking about it because now you have a reputation. If your sorrows are clear, what else would you talk about? You have nothing else to talk about. You've spoken about this so much. Okay, so the best way to do it is be like the horse, just keep shut. That's how you end your sufferings. Sooner or later it has to end. And people nowadays have this new thing that they've been talking about. You know, I don't discuss my problem, but I have that one person I found a comfort level with. I share my problems with them. Now that one person has another one person who they share their problems with. That person has another one person they share their problems with. You've created a chain of people who are now discussing your problems, which is nothing more but a dinner table conversation for them. The salt from your tears is adding taste to somebody else's boring, tasteless life. Why would you do that? Keep your salt for yourself. Okay, sooner or later your life is going to become really amazingly tasteful. You're going to have an amazing taste. Your sorrows are going to end, your hardships are going to end, but just keep that salt of yours to yourself. Don't spread it out for people to enjoy it. Okay, so you want your sorrows to end, you want your hardship to end, you want your miseries to end. The secret is shh, keep shut. Okay, and that's how it just ends. So yeah, if you like this video, please share it with the donkey you know. We all have the donkey in our life who keeps bragging about their sorrows, their hardship, their miseries. Okay, I was one of them. I'm a horse right now. So please, if you like this video, give it a like, share it with the donkey you know, subscribe to my channel. All good things will come your way. And till I see you again, have a good life. Namaste.